If you ever thought it's just simple application, nothing complicated, please don't close this video, because today we've broken down founder phrases which make developers' eyes twitch. Let's start from the classic, the phrase almost each developer heard at least once. Make me it like Uber, but a little bit faster and simpler. I want to have result in 1 month. It sounds reasonable until you remember that Uber is $1 million of investment and years of development. But to be honest, when the founder says like Uber, they don't mean the product itself. They mostly mean the feeling, like convenient, comfortable, usable, and so on. But after such expectations, developers thinking about architecture, business logic, security, scalability, and a lot of stuff, and of course quietly regret that they say yes. And such expectation looks like if you come to the building architect, and saying, okay, I want the building like Burj Khalifa, but 3 floors, and it must be ready in 1 month. Next favorite phrase, absolute classic. Why does it take 3 days? It's just one button. What happened? Why? Of course, the problem is not the button. The problem everything happens after the click. Now let's come to founders MVP level. It's minimal MVP, simple MVP, but I would like to add their blockchain, a little bit of AI, animations, and it should be covered by few weeks, maximum 1 month. It's unfortunately not joke. It happens so often when the customers come and tell something like that. There is no such things like simple AI, simple blockchain, or just 7-8 animations. Behind such words like AI, blockchain, animations, completely different level of work. Next phrase, it's a pain for designers and developers in the same time. It's just a first version, design is not important. Let's start right from the development. The developer is not artist, and code cannot be magically tuned into beautiful and useful UI. UX UI design, it's separate profession. It's like come to restaurant and say, no recipe needed, make it just tasty and pretty. Now 2 hits in a row, back to back. It should be intuitive and modern. And right after that, we don't have clear requirements, but you should understand the idea I sharing with you and start development right away. So you developer, why not? Without clear requirements, developer not building the product, he just guessing. And of course, guessing is very expensive. Final point, the most important one. Founders need to understand one thing. IT always has different roles. Developer, designer, quality assurance, product manager. There's different roles and different professions, and completely different ways. This cannot be one role, of course, if you want to have a quality product. The weak approach always leads to weak results, but somehow expectations remain high. And here is the key moment. If you are a founder and you want to build clear product, you don't want to do some rework and pay for it, yes? You don't want to waste the budget. We have pre-development consultation. Our role to translate founders' ideas to development language. So the team knows what to build and you know what you are paying for. Link in the description. If this video was useful for you, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.